come up here and get your CPSs, please.
Follow.
Oh, wait.
49, please.
What's the numbers?
The same.
The same.
Ones you always get. Doesn't really, the numbers don't really matter today.
Darn.
What numbers did you get yesterday?
37. Oh, dude. Oh, I thought you... Like, 37 was here and 38 was here. Nope, make him dance, guys.
All right, you recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, we are on chapter 1. I need these two ladies to turn around and look at me. I hate talking in the back, so just get your, yeah, make sure I can see you. Now, pick up your chair and turn it around so I can see you.
Ow.
Thank you. All right, that's good. All righty, guys, learn to think critically. This is chapter 1, lesson 3. This is all working towards your public speaking and your public writing, which we're going to be accomplishing with your resume basically next week. Okay? When we go through this program, this is an overview about what is thinking and what is critical thinking. Claire Rossman, what is critical thinking?
Critical thinking is like thinking outside the box when you're presented with a challenge. You have to, like unscrambling words, for example.
Okay, so instead of asking a simple question, like, gee, what's the color of something? Critical thinking is something more like, why is something colored something? Or like in today's incidences, we're talking about a lot of the issues in Syria, right? What's the issue in Syria nowadays? Chemical attacks, right? On people, on innocent people, on your own people. So, a simple question about that is, do we invade? Do we help? Do we help the people? A simple question. What would a critical thought about that be?
Why? How can we do it?
Right, raise your hand. What? Yes, Camille's take.
Why should we or should we not? Why should we invade and for what reason?
There you go. For what reason? Another one. Could have hand moving.
How would we raid?
How would we, and how would we get everybody's support to respond to it? Yes, sir.
What would other countries' reactions be and responses be if we invaded?
Exactly. What is the long-term consequences of? And we're not talking about invading. We're just talking about trying to save people from being chemically attacked by their leader. And actually, and this is my lifetime, I mean, since we've invented the nuclear bomb, which was not my lifetime, in World War II, there's nuclear, biological, and chemical warfare is lumped together, NBC. And it's internationally agreed that those three things, nuclear, biological, and chemical warfare, is not the proper way to conduct warfare. So when countries do these bad things, the other countries hold them accountable. And that's kind of the issue we're going with now, whether or not to critically think about whether or not to help the civilians of Syria and defend them against their own leader who's wiping them out with chemical warfare. We're going to talk about critical reading. And really, again, I'm going to relate this all to your resume that you guys are going to be writing next week. And how do you craft a resume for your job, for your college or post-secondary career that you're trying to do, or getting into the military, getting a position in the military? How do you do that? Okay, thinkers, thinking. These are straight out of your vocabulary, which, oh, by the way, you guys will be, let's see, this is week 5, actually, we're doing this in. Your testing on this will be around week 8, right before the end of the fall break, and we'll go through all this.